Naiyak ang actress na si Sofia Andres, sa tanong kung bakit pinili niyang hindi muna magpakasal. Inihayag ito ng actress sa panayam sa kanya ni Karen Davila, na kung saan natanong siya na, "Was that a factor why you didn't choose to get married?" Oh my God, ba't ako naiiyak sa question mo? Siguro Miss Karen, it's not the time yet talaga. In God's time. In God's time kasi married or hindi, you will never know kung kayo ba talaga. Kasi may mga married nga na naghihiwalay pa rin Meron namang hindi married na nagtatagal naman. You know. So, in God's time, Miss Karen. It's scary, sagot ni Sofia. I was telling my partner nga, Daniel, na if we're not ready, kasi he has a broken, it's not complete also their family. So, if we're not ready, we don't have to rush it Yung foundation muna, respect importante Miss Karen diba? Respect talaga. Yung love, andyan lang yan yung respeto hindi naman yun agad nakukuha, pagpapatuloy pa niya.